today's video, I'm going to show you how to go offline on Messenger. Be sure to watch this video to the end and follow every step carefully. Firstly, open up your Messenger app and tap the three-dot menu in the bottom right corner. Tap on Settings and tap on Active Status. Now, to be able to appear offline in Messenger, you need to turn this off. Now, you can customize it. Do you want to appear offline on Messenger for 1 hour, for 8 hours, until 8 o'clock? You can customize it for me. I'll put it to until I change 8. This means that whenever someone comes to Messenger, your green dot, your active status will not be visible to them, and their green dot will not be visible to you too. Step 2, let's go back. Scroll down to Privacy and Safety and scroll down and tap on Receipt. Now, turn this off. This means that you'll be able to read people messages without them knowing that you have read their messages. With this method, you can appear offline on Messenger until you change 8. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more useful tips.